Hey guys, look what I got. Unbox. Let's cut to the chase and open it. Ready? Bang, bang, bang. And this is voltage USB. Put it here. This is screen protector. Put it here. And the most important thing is here. What is it? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Garmin 965. Let's open it. Oh, so excited. I've checked this one for a long time. Yeah, I know. Phoenix 7, Phoenix 8, they're new. But I think for me, this one, it's totally enough function, the features, it's enough. I don't have to spend more than $1,000 to buy a watch. I cannot afford it. It's beyond my budget. So let's check this one. Yeah. And then this. Ooh, this way. See it? Wow. Wow. So cool. I can smell nothing, actually. Let's take it out. This is the main roll of today. QR code. I don't need this. Just want to check. This is the cable USB-C. This is the classic charger. Look at this. You see that? Open it. Oh, I can see the start is here. The actually on and off button is this one. One press, right? Yeah, can you see the triangle? Triangle? Already prepared my phone. Garmin. I got a Garmin here. It's running. Yeah. Ooh. The language. English. Connecting. Pair the phone. The vibration is good. No. Shoot. Express.